In this video we are going to take a look what is going on with the Bitcoin price currently. One of our indicators that we use for our trades with members of our close community recently showed us to sell our Bitcoins when actually we did, so I will show you the results of using this indicator in the year 2023. Also, in the end of this video, we will take a look at our indicator whale tracking indicator. It helped us to identify the bottom of the market and help us to make a decision regarding selling Bitcoin at the highest peaks of the market. So currently this indicator will help us to analyze current situation, and we will make some kind of the prediction for the Bitcoin for the upcoming 2 or 3 weeks. So watch this video till the final end. Right now put the video on a pause and click the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel not to miss the next video. We are going back to our current situation with the Bitcoin price. What we can see. Currently Bitcoin price is testing short-term moving average. It is important to mention that the test of moving average seems to be successful. What does it mean? That means that despite the price tried to be corrected, we tested this short-term moving average as a support, and the price will use this for the possible rise in the future. It is important to mention that almost the same situation when the price tested the short-term moving average as a support happened during the January 2023. It was the time when Bitcoin was at the level of $16,000. No one expected from the Bitcoin to start rising in January 2023. Everyone thought that Bitcoin will drop to the level of $12,000 and even lower. However, in January 2023, Bitcoin price tested short-term moving average as a support 2 times, and after that, Bitcoin started growing. Current situation on the chart with the positions of short and long-term moving average for the Bitcoin is almost similar to the situation that we have on the chart currently. What do I mean? After Bitcoin rising, we had the shorter distance between two short and long-term moving averages. Almost the same situation took place in November 2021. And after some period of the price consolidation in the range between $63,000 and $58,000, we had the Bitcoin rising, and it was the last rising before the price correction from the level of $68,000 and for the whole year 2022. It is also important to mention that it was the time when the price also tested short-term moving average as a support, so it would be really important to see how the price would react to short-term moving average this time. Also, it is important to mention that currently price is not only testing short-term moving average, but it is also testing the level of $37,500. In our previous videos, I described why this level is so important for the Bitcoin. We mentioned that during the year 2022, when the price for Bitcoin was corrected from all-time highest level to $16,000, we had a few phases of the price consolidation. And one of those phases was in the range between $37,000 and $41,000. And currently the price is testing the level of $37,000 as a support, which is also the bullish signal in case we will see successful test of this zone as a support. Currently, the latest trend index is higher than 50, which is also the bullish signal. In case we are talking that we will test short-term moving average and $37,000 as a support and the price will start rising, we may see such a scenario when the price will update local highs, and we will be higher on the price chart than we were on 9th of November when we had this one local maximum. Why this local maximum is so important for us? We can see that relative strength index on November 9th was in the position when we had overbuying on the relative strength index. And in case we will see the price rising higher than we had on November 9th, it is quite possible that a relative strength index will also rise. But in case we will see higher highs on the price and lower highs on relative strength index, it is quite possible that after this one rising, Bitcoin will not grow further and we may see the price correction, as this will be the situation with the bearish divergence. Our indicator Moon showed us the signal to buy Bitcoin in the middle of October. We holded this trade for more than 5 weeks. For almost 1 month, we holded this one long trade. We picked up Bitcoin rising for more than 24%. In the final end, as we used leverage X2, we made more than 48% of profit. With your deposit as $10,000, you could make more than $4,800 of profit, which is an absolutely brilliant result. So my congratulations to everyone who used this opportunity. In case you would like to find out how to get an access to this indicator and other trading indicators that we use for our trades, you should follow the link in the description under this video to our Discord. In the Discord, you would be able not only to find out how you could get an access to this and other trading indicators, but also you can check the results of other people who already used our indicators for their trades. So do not miss a chance and follow the link in the description to find out more about our trading indicators. Our whale tracking indicator helped us to identify the bottom of the market and helped us to make a decision on selling Bitcoin at the highest peaks of the market. So this indicator previously helped us to make really good money. And currently we will try to use this indicator to predict what would happen to the Bitcoin for the next 2 or 3 weeks. In previous videos I mentioned that after we had updated all-time highest level, we had the correction for the price to the bottom of the market. After testing the bottom of the market, we had the test of the middle range for whale tracking indicator. And after testing this level, we had the price correction. After this correction, we had another phase of rising with updating all-time highest level for the Bitcoin for that time. After that, we had another price correction, another test of middle range, test not successful and the price was corrected again, and again we updated all-time highest level. What we can see currently, after updating all-time highest level for the Bitcoin price, we had the price correction. We tested the bottom of the market, and currently the price is really close to the middle range of whale tracking indicator. But what does it mean for us? Previously, during previous cycles for the Bitcoin, the first test was not successful and the price was corrected after testing middle range of this indicator. And now let's take a look at cycles and periods we had for the price correction and the price rising. After updating all-time highest level for the Bitcoin in the year 2013, we had the phase of correction for 400 days. After that, we had the price rising before testing middle range of whale tracking indicator, and it took place for more than 290 days. We had more than 700 days of this one cycle before we had the price correction after testing the middle range of whale tracking indicator. The next cycle took us more than 300 days, this time after updating all-time highest level in December 17, and we had another phase of rising for the Bitcoin for a little bit more than 238 days. Summarizing these two phases for Bitcoin, we had more than 600 days. So 600 days the first time, 600 days the second time, and currently we still can see that we are been in the first phase of testing this middle range for almost 700 days. It is quite possible that it is almost the end of the rising for the Bitcoin currently, and it is quite possible that we will be corrected after testing the middle range of whale tracking indicator. So my advice for you is to think about closing maybe the part of your position as we did it with members of our closed community according to our trading systems, and think about what you're going to do in case Bitcoin will test those levels that I described previously as a support, as it is quite possible that it will be the last phase of rising for the Bitcoin in case we will see this phase. Despite a lot of the people already open their short, as I told you before, people are always wrong in their expectations about the market. It is really important to have your own trading strategy to understand what will be your reason to open short or trade long. As usually, it was Wealth Management. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know what you think, if Bitcoin will be strong enough to test those level as a support, and in case you also think that Bitcoin still can try to rise. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.